Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we're going to be continuing our R2 build. We've got issue 34 right here, and we have our parts. So let's open it up and let's see what we got. Alright, here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got the right fuel cell outer and inner covers. We've got a motor test cable. We've got the two quick release fuel system latches, and we've got 2 long plugs and 6 of these short plugs. For this issue, we're also going to need the power bus cables from the previous issue, and of course the leg assembly so far, as well as the test kit. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to test the motor and make sure that it works. I think it's a little late to be doing this, given how far along we are in the assembly, but at least we're going to do it. So first things first, we're going to unplug the cable. I'm going to take the test cable that they sent us and plug it into our testing box here. And then we will take this and we will attach it to the motor. Make sure the box is on, and oh yeah. You may not be able to see it. Let's see. Look at that tire turning. All right, so we know the motor works. That's excellent news. Now we'll disassemble this and start assembling the rest of the pieces. All right, for this next set, we are going to need 8 of the longer 8mm black screws, but we're going to start by covering up some screw holes. We've got the 2 longer plugs here, and those are going to go in the bottom 2 holes right there. Just pull them off and push them in. Try to line them up, make them look as neat as possible. There we go. Alright, with those covered, now we're going to put in the 6 smaller plugs, and those are going to go in these holes here. So these 4 and these 2 here. Alright, with all of the plugs in place, now we're going to start putting the fuel cell cover on. I'm going to start with the inner portion. You're going to want to take one of these quick release latches, and it looks like it's going to line up just like this, with the if this notch is facing down, then this blue section is going to be facing down as well, so it'll go in just like this, and you basically just push it in just like that. All right, with that looking nice and neat, we're going to want to align it right here and line it up so that the screws can go in. Let's see here, you can see the screw holes. There we go, just like that. And you got 4 screws that'll go in there. All right, with that part on, we're going to take the outer cover here and we're going to throw this on. Now with the outer cover like this, with this notch on the right hand side, the blue is going to face up this time. So you just slide it on in, just like with the last one. If you can. There we go. There we go. Looking neat there. And you can just slide it on top, line it up properly, and you got 4 more screw holes. All right. Fuel cell is complete and looking wonderful. And now we want to attach the power bus cables. And that's going to be fairly simple. You just take one end and you shove it in there. The other end is going to go in the inner hole on the fuel cell, just like that. And then this will go in here with the other end in the fuel cell hole like that. And there you go. That is it for stage 34. And there you go, everybody. A short issue, but I feel like we accomplished quite a bit on this one. I mean, from the fuel cell to the power bus cables, and my personal favorite, testing the motor out to make sure that it works. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.